Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm going to do this really easy, colorful dry brush and nail stamp design. So I'm using white by Sinful Colors called Snow Me White, a light yellow by Pacifica called Baby Come Back, a mint also by Pacifica called Minty Bikini, blue by Finger Paint called Blue You Bamboo, and pink by Wet n Wild. It doesn't have a name, it's just by Wet n Wild. So I painted the background of my nails with that light yellow polish. And then I'm going to lightly brush on all those other colors. You can add as many colors as you want in any color combo that you want. I just wanted to do this. I just thought it's really simple and easy. I see you guys love the dry brush techniques I do. It's really simple and easy, and I kind of understand why people like it. It's quick and fast. You don't have to add a freehand nail design or a nail stamp design on top of it. You can leave it on its own, and that's what's fun about it. And you don't have to add the colors on top of each other like I'm doing. You can do them in different sections, but I wanted to see, adding those colors on top of them just gives the colors different looks to it. That's what I loved about it. Now, you can leave this on its own, or you can be extra like me and add a nail stamp design. And I'm using my Buitee Collection's '06 nail plate to put a nice black nail stamp design onto it. I like this plate. It has a bunch of, designs. I guess it's like kind of like a tribal-ish looking designs on it. And I love this particular one on top of that dry brush. I just think it just brings it all together. It gives it a cool look to it, something different. Once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex and I applied a quick dry top coat. Like I said, it's a really easy and simple design you can do with any colors you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.